Hello everybody, this is Dr. Thunder. Today, I would like to show you how to solve a US high school physics competition question. This is question number 10 of 2025 F equals MA exam. This question is about the collision between two objects with very different masses. So we have a lighter object with mass lowercase m that is initially at rest, and we have a heavier object with mass of capital M that collides elastically with the smaller objects. So we want to find out what is the approximate maximum fraction of the heavier object's kinetic energy that could be transferred to the lighter object. So this is a very classical collision question. So first, based on the question, we know that capital M over lowercase m is much larger than 1. So this is equation 1. First, because this is the elastic collision, the momentum is conserved. So before the collision, the momentum is mv. So after the collision, assume the speed of the heavier object is p prime, and then the speed of the lighter object is u. So after collision, the momentum is mv prime plus mu. So then we can get v prime equals to v minus m over mu. Also, the kinetic energy is also conserved before and after the collision. So before the collision, the kinetic energy is half mv squared. Then after the collision, the kinetic energy is half mv prime squared plus half mu squared. So this is equation 3. So we plug this expression into equation 3. Then we get this. Then we clean up. Eventually, we get this expression. Because we know capital M over lowercase m is much larger than 1, so lowercase m over capital M approaches 0. So u approaches 2v. This is equation 4. Now we can calculate the ratio between the two kinetic energies. So the ratio of the kinetic energy of the lighter object to the kinetic energy of the heavier object is this. And then we can calculate the answer will be 4 lowercase m over capital M, which is answer C. So this is a classical way to solve this question. But as we know, during the F equals to MA exam, we only have a few minutes per question. So we want to solve the question as fast as possible. So we have a quick and dirty method here. So let's consider a person that is riding with a heavier object, capital M. So to the eyes of this person, initially the lighter object travel at v toward him, toward this person. And then after the collision, because we know that the capital M is much larger than lowercase m, so v prime is almost equal to v. So after the collision, to the eyes of this person riding with the heavier object, the lighter object travels at v away from this person. So for the person on the ground, the speed of the lighter object u then is equal to 2v. So the ratio of the two kinetic energy will be the same, and which is for lowercase m over capital M. So we get the same answer, which is answer C. So thank you for viewing. If you think my video is useful, please comment, like, and subscribe.